Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. All here we will learn natural science subject. Are you ready to learn? Keep the spirit, okay? Today we will continue the previous material, which is about the form and function of the animal body. The discussion of the material this time is about the form and function of the body it plants. The discussion of the material this time is about the parts and function of the plant body. We continue on the material. The material that we will discuss first is about the parts of plant. This is an example of plant. This plant has the first parts. The lowest in the soil is called the root. Then this part is called the stem. Then this part is called the leaf. This part is called the flower, and this part is called the fruits. Plants have their main parts in their bodies, namely roots, stem, and leaves. Let's discuss one by one the parts of the plants, whether it's how it functions or how it looks. The first one we will discuss starting from the root. Now, here is a picture of the morphology of the root, where at the end it is called the root cap. Then this part is called the root tip. Then this part is called the root system, and these parts are called the root tip, root hair. The function of the root is general. The first is to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The second is to store food reserves, and the third is to strengthen plants. Next, we will discuss about the types of roots based on their shape. The roots are divided into two. The first is a trap root, and the second is a fibrous root. 1. Taproot. Characteristic features: have a main root or main root, branch root. The difference is between the main root and the branch root in clearly visible. Example: dicotyledonous plants in two pieces, mango, orange, tomato plants. Fibrous root. Characteristic features: shapes like a fiber. The tip and the base are the same size. All the roots come out from the base of the stem. Example of monocot plants: one pieces, corn, rice, grass, turkey. Types of root species on special properties and function. Hanging roots. These roots grow from the parts of the plant system above the ground. These roots hang in the air and grow toward the ground. Adhesive roots grow along the stem. These roots are useful for sticking to wood or other plants or walls. Support roots grow from the stem in all directions. These roots support the stem so it doesn't fall. Third, branch root. These roots grow perpendicular to the stump, so they emerge from the surface of the soil or water. The roots of the branch or root branches have many openings to enter the air. Stem, structure, and type of root. Root function: 1. As a means of transport, transportation of nutrition in plants to support plants there as a food resource for types of roots with has soft and chewy stem. For example, spinach plants. Woody has cambium, parts of the inside of the system that is only owned by woody stem. For example, tua, guava, rambutan, jackfruit. Grass has clearly visible segment and is generally hollow. For example, rice, corn, and grasses. Plants parts, leaf structure and type. Leaf function 1. As a place for making food, photosynthesis. 2. As a plant, breathing produce. 3. As a plant of evaporation, leaf plants, banana leaves, complain leaves, because they have a midrib stem and stems. Types of leaves based on the number of leaves. 1. Single leaf. On the stalk there is one leaf, casual leaf. 2. Compound leaves. On the stalk there is more than one leaf. 3. Starfish there. Types of leaf arrangement. Pine leaf bones, shaped like the arrangement of the fins of fish. Mango, rambutan leaves, guava leaves, and jackfruit leaves. Cherry leaf bones, shaped like the arrangement of the fins. Papaya, guava, and coastal leaves. Curved leaf bones, shaped like curved lines and end of the line bone locks together petal. Parallel leaf bones, shapes like parallel straight lines. Edge end of the bone is pushed corn, rice, and grass. Flower succulent. Flower function as a plant ornament and as a place for plant reproduction to take place. Anatomical drawings of flowers. Each has its own name and function. 1. Flower stalk connects the flower to the stem. 2. Flower buds protect and flower when it is still a bud from insect attack. 3. Flower base. 4. Flower crown decoration of flower to attract insect to help pollinate. 5. Stems. Male reproductive organ in flowers. 6. Pistil. Flame reproduction organs in flowers. 7. Nuisance or polytel plants. Fruit structural fruits. Fruit function 1. As a seed protects, apple fruit has the name of each part. Fruit stalk connect the fruits to stem. 3. Fruit skin, other layer, flesh, the part of the fruits then we can usually eat. Seed found in the middle of the fruit which will later become a condition for new plants. Okay, that's no material that I have conveyed. Do you have any question? No? If not, L and 8, thank you. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.